Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Thinking of an investment in Hellshire Greater Portmore? Well, here you are. With the view of the sea from your balcony, this is the perfect property to give you a return on investment while sleeping. This is one building with four two-ensuite bedroom apartments, complete with living, dining, and kitchen area, and a townhouse with three ensuite bedrooms. Each unit has a built-in laundry area with a powder room. Each unit is piped for an individual water meter and its own electric meter. Hellshire Beach is just a short walk away. The land area of this property is 10,893 square feet. Other features of this property includes garden area, grilled, fully fenced, fully walled, ceramic tiling, mountain views, easy access, family oriented, private setting, ocean views, low maintenance yard, quiet area, seniors oriented, road paved, level lot, and pets are allowed. The current price of this house is Jamaican 120 million or US $770,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please remember, leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.